Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate guide to the best kitchen gadgets. In today's video, we're slicing into the top 5 best Mandoline Slicers to help you level up your meal prep game. Whether you're dicing, slicing, or spiralizing, these slicers are designed to save time, enhance safety, and bring out the chef in you. From razor-sharp blades to versatile designs, we've covered every feature that makes these tools a must-have for your kitchen. And the best part? We've made it easy for you to shop. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. So, grab your veggies and let's get slicing. Your dream kitchen tool might be just a click away. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer. Let's face it, slicing vegetables evenly can feel like advanced calculus for some. Enter the OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer, a kitchen tool that makes precision slicing as easy as pie, or should we say cucumber salad. With adjustable thickness settings, this slicer guarantees perfectly thin cucumber slices or chunky potato gratin layers. The clear surface lets you see your hard work piling up below. Instant gratification for the perfectionist in you. Safety first. The food holder keeps your fingers out of the danger zone, while the non-slip handle and foot provide stability. But seriously, don't try to freestyle without the guard. Unless you want to audition for a culinary version of a horror movie. The razor-sharp stainless steel blade means business. Whether you're prepping for a family dinner or Instagram-worthy snacks, this mandolin will make you feel like a pro chef. Just remember, it slices fast. So don't blink, or you'll have more slices than you bargained for. Ready to slice your way to perfection? The OXO Mandolin is here to help. Guard on, of course. Number 2. Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. Who knew slicing vegetables could feel this fancy? The Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Slicer is the ultimate kitchen wingman for anyone who loves clean, consistent cuts without breaking a sweat. It comes with a razor-sharp stainless steel blade, imported straight from Japan, for effortless slicing that won't dull over time. Think of it as your personal sous chef, minus the chatter. With its adjustable blade dial, you can swap between paper-thin slices or hearty 9mm cuts with just a twist. Need julienne veggies for that Instagram-worthy stir-fry? It's got you covered. And no fiddling with extra inserts. This slicer does all the work while you keep your fingers a safe distance away. The included food holder and cut-resistant gloves are like the bodyguards of your slicing experience. So, whether it's slicing onions without the tears or tackling oddly shaped veggies, the Gramercy slicer turns prep work into child's play. Just don't get too excited and start slicing everything in the fridge. Save some for dinner. Number 3. Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer for Kitchen. Say goodbye to messy kitchens and hello to the Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer, the ultimate gadget for all your slicing, grating, and spiralizing needs. This compact powerhouse is designed to make meal prep a breeze. Whether it's zoodles for dinner, perfectly sliced onions for salsa, or cheese for your taco night, this slicer does it all. Plus, it's BPA-free and made with durable, extra-sharp stainless steel blades that can handle anything you throw at them. Except maybe your neighbor's fruitcake. What's better? It's built with your safety in mind. With a finger guard, non-slip base, and even safety gloves included, this slicer makes sure you're protected while slicing and dicing like a pro. No more trips to the ER over an ambitious onion. And let's not forget its spiralizer attachment. From gorgeous veggie garnishes to restaurant-worthy pasta alternatives, you'll be amazed at what you can create. The Fullstar Slicer isn't just a tool. It's your secret weapon for kitchen domination. Number 4. Mueller Pro Series 12-Blade All-in-One Mandoline Slicer. Meet the Mueller Pro Series All-in-One Mandoline Slicer, your new kitchen MVP. With its 12 diverse blades, this gadget lets you dice, slice, julienne, grate, and spiralize your way to meal prep mastery. From perfectly chopped onions to colorful zoodle creations, this slicer has you covered. It's made with premium 420-grade stainless steel and BPA-free materials, so it's tough on veggies, but kind to your health. Ever feel like cooking is a battle between you and your countertop? The Mueller Slicer's innovative design solves that with a compact food container that keeps things tidy. Plus, the food holder prevents slipping, so your tomatoes stay in place, not on the floor. And when the fun's over, just toss it in the dishwasher. Cleanup takes minutes, not hours. And here's the kicker. Mueller offers 24/7 live customer support. No emails, no waiting, just real help when you need it. The Mueller Pro Series Slicer is more than a gadget. It's your partner in healthy, hassle-free cooking. Number 5. Once for all safe 5-in-1 Mandoline Slicer. The Once for all safe Mandoline Slicer is like a kitchen Swiss Army knife, but without the risk of slicing your fingers. Designed with sharp hidden blades, it ensures safety while delivering fast, uniform cuts. Whether you're slicing potatoes paper-thin or dicing cucumbers into matchsticks, this tool handles it all without needing blade swaps or gloves. It's a daily cooking upgrade that even your clumsiest friend would appreciate. This 5-in-1 slicer is as versatile as it gets. With adjustable thickness from 0.1 to 8 millimeters, you can julienne, slice, dice, or matchstick your veggies in seconds. Think of all the meal prep time you'll save, and yes, that means more Netflix and less chopping onions. Made from durable ABS material and featuring 420 stainless steel blades, it's built to last while keeping things healthy and safe. With a 24-month warranty and Once-for-All's decade-long reputation for quality, this Mandoline Slicer isn't just a kitchen tool, it's your culinary sidekick. Meal prep faster, cook healthier, and keep your fingers out of harm's way. Safe, stylish, and oh so smart. Thanks for watching this review on the top 5 best Mandoline Slicers. We hope it helped you find the perfect tool for your kitchen. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Check them out and pick your favorite. See you in the next video.